Hello, thank you for being a Power Partner affiliate with Real Estate Express. This quick tutorial will show you how to place a link on your website or in your email. If you have not already viewed the Welcome to your Power Partner affiliate account video, I recommend you watch that one first as it contains some pertinent information for you. So for those of you ready to place a link, let's dig right in. Once you've logged in, the first thing you're going to do is go over here to your tabs and click on the offers. This will pull up every single offer that we have. They are broken down by state. So you can see for each state that we have courses, we have a corresponding offer or links to go with them. For example, let's look at Illinois today. So if we want to offer our students an Illinois broker course, you're going to click on there. The first time you click on any one of these, it's going to pull up this information box. This is just for internal purposes, so just pick whatever you want, click submit, and it will go away. It's not going to affect what you can offer or how it works on your page. What that will do then is bring up this offer box. So when you get to the offer box, you're going to see the description, and that's just going to tell you exactly what people are going to see on the web page you're sending them to. So this broker page is going to include the broker course, the broker post license, managing broker, and managing broker post license courses. There's no restrictions. Now, some states like California and Texas will have additional advertising restrictions that you'll have to pay attention to. For most of the states, you're just going to pay attention to this Creatives tab. So when you click there, it's going to bring you over, and here's the actual place where you get the codes for the links that you're going to put onto your website or in your email. There are two types. There are just plain text-based links, and then there are these image links. The image links are the easiest ones to actually get onto your website. If you want to see what they look like, hover over this magnifying glass, and it will pull up a preview of what that link looks like. And you're also able in the name to see the size of them, so you can pick one that fits somewhere on your website. So let's say this is the one that I want to use. You just go over here to where it says Get Code, pull that up. You're going to copy this entire strand right there and paste that onto your website where you want to have the link. Now, each website is set up differently as far as what the back end looks like and how you place a link, but all of them will need to use that exact code. If you work with a web developer or if you're doing more than one link, it might be better for you to send an email. If you click that, it will send that exact code to you in an email format. It will be labeled so you know that this is the Illinois Broker License Course code. And that way you can have it there for when you're opening up your website on the back end. So those banners are the easy ones. If you want to do a text-based link, you're going to have to do a few more steps to it. You're going to have to actually add the text that you want to make the link. So let's go through that. Now, if you look down here, you can do a link that takes them to the broker course or to the broker post license course, either one. So if I want to take them to the broker course, you're going to have to click send email. Notice there's no get code here. Send email, and you'll get an email in your inbox in a matter of minutes that looks like this. Now this one's for Colorado, but you get the same thing for every single state. It will walk you through all the information on that link, all the information on that campaign so that you know exactly where people are being directed. So if you're clicking multiple links, you can send multiple emails and then be able to sort through them later. The important thing here is this code right here. That is the code that contains your individual tracking number so that when someone clicks it, you get the credit. I'm going to go ahead and copy that so we can use it. And the first way we're going to use this is to embed it into an email using the hyperlink function. Now, some of your websites will actually have that ability as well. So you can use this in email or on a website. So you're going to choose the words that you want to put in there. So let's say, we recommend you use online real estate courses to get your license. And you want them to be able to click right here and go straight to that Illinois broker page. So you highlight that, and then you're going to have to go to where it says hyperlink. In Outlook, it's under insert. On your web page, you'll have to look. But pull up that hyperlink, and it's going to ask for an address. You just copy in that whole code that was emailed to you and click OK. So when you send this out, it's not going to have a big ugly chain like this in it, which you can do if you need to, but it looks much nicer and prettier if you have it like this in your email. Same goes on your website. Now, if you don't have a hyperlink option on your website, you're going to have to do a little modifying to that code, but it's not difficult. So let's start with, here's the code. That's what's sent to you in your email. If you want to put this on your website, let's say you're offering all the states. So you just want to add a few things here. You're going to start off with a little caret, and then you're going to have to put in the actual HTML code, which sounds a little scary, but it's pretty simple. You're going to start with a caret, a href equals quotation marks, and that's going to be every time. Then you come to the other end of that code, you're going to put in more quotation marks and another caret. Here's where you're going to choose what you want to have there. So if we're just doing Illinois licensing courses, and that's what you want to have lit up as your link, that's all you write in there. Then you have to finish the code up with one caret, a slash, an A, and another caret. And there you've written your first HTML code. So when you copy this whole thing and embed it in your website, what you're going to end up with is it's just going to show Illinois licensing courses, and it will be a link. So it'll be a different color, and it will be underlined on your web page. If you're working with a web developer, they're very familiar with this. If you have the links from our old program, this is the exact format that they're in. You just need to copy this and replace in the exact same place where you had that other link, so it will track to the new program. So either way you want to use these link creatives, they are available to you, although I will admit the banner ones are a lot easier to use. So that's it. It's that simple. You're either going to copy code, or you're going to email the code and slightly modify it to get it on your web page the way you want it to look. As you're working through this, if you have questions, your account manager is over here. Just click email, and you can send off a quick email and say, hey, this is where I'm stuck. So once again, thank you for being a Power Partner affiliate, and have a great day.